Tax. Tax is like the subscription fee you pay for living in your country. It's the money collected by the government to fund everything from schools to roads to public safety. Just like you pay for streaming services to get movies, you pay taxes to get public services and infrastructure. Think of it this way. Without taxes, it would be like to run a Netflix account without paying the subscription. No shows, no movies, no fun. Taxes make sure you have access to essential services that make daily life smoother and safer. So every time you earn a paycheck, buy something at the store, or even fill up your gas tank, a slice of that goes to the government to keep things running. Just remember, it's like the universe's way of making sure you contribute to the potluck. You can't enjoy the party if you don't bring a dish. Personal income tax. Personal income tax is the portion of your earnings that you send to the government each year. Think of it as your personal contribution to your nation's piggy bank, helping fund everything from parks to public safety. Each time you earn a paycheck, a part of it is earmarked for taxes. This is your income tax. It's based on how much you earn, so the more you make, the more you contribute. Just like investing in a membership that gets you access to the gym, your income tax investment gives you access to public amenities and services. At the end of the year, you settle up with the government. This could mean a tax refund if you're overpaid or owing more if you're underpaid. It's all about finding the right balance based on your earnings. So, when you think about personal income tax, remember, it's not just a deduction from your paycheck, it's your stake in ensuring your community thrives, from the roads you drive on to the schools in your neighborhood. Tax bracket. Tax bracket is like a ladder of tax rates based on how much money you make. The more you earn, the higher you climb, and the more you pay on each additional dollar. This progressive system ensures that everyone pays a fair share according to their income. Think of it as a game show where the higher you go, the splashier the challenges, but instead of slime, it's taxes. Tax deduction. Tax deduction is like a discount coupon on your tax bill. It reduces the amount of income you're taxed on, which can lower your overall tax payment. Think of it as your yearly tax treasure hunt, digging through receipts and records for buried tax-saving gems. Tax credit. Tax credit is even better than a deduction. It's like getting cash back on your taxes. Unlike deductions, which lower the income you're taxed on, credits directly reduce the tax you owe, dollar for dollar. It's like hitting a bonus round in your favorite game, where every point you score knocks dollars off your tax bill. If you're finding these terms explained video helpful, then make sure to check out the next one. Filing status. Filing status is like picking your character in a video game. It determines how you play the tax game. Are you single, married, or head of your household? Each status has different tax rates and benefits. Choose wisely. Your filing status affects how much tax you pay, and it can be the difference between a boss-level tax bill and an easy win. Withholding. Withholding is like your paycheck's diet plan. It's how much tax you tell your employer to hold back from your earnings to cover your tax liability. Get it right, and you won't owe much at tax time. Get it wrong, and you could be facing a tax feast or famine. Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax is the tax on profit from selling something you own, like stocks or real estate. It's like a commission you pay to the government for the successful sale of your investment. Think of it as the cost of playing the investment game. No pain, no gain, right? Property tax. Property tax is the annual fee you pay for owning property, like your house or land. It's like a membership fee for the exclusive club of property owners. This tax helps fund local services like schools, roads, and fire departments. So, it's not just any club, it's one that keeps your community thriving. Sales tax. Sales tax is the extra amount you pay at the register for almost everything you buy. It's like a toll fee for shopping on the roads of commerce. Every time you shop, you chip in a little to your state or city, helping fund public projects and services. Adjusted gross income. Adjusted gross income, or AGI, is your financial scoreboard. It's what you earn from all sources, minus specific deductions like retirement contributions or student loan interest. Think of AGI as the number that sets the stage for your tax game. It influences your tax bill and eligibility for certain tax breaks. Standard deduction. Standard deduction is like an express pass at an amusement park. It lets you bypass the hassle of itemizing deductions and offers a flat rate tax reduction based on your filing status. It simplifies your tax filing and ensures everyone gets at least some money off their tax bill. No receipts necessary. Itemized deduction. Itemized deduction is for those who spend a lot on things like mortgage interest, medical expenses, or charitable donations. It's like clipping coupons for your taxes. More work, but potentially more savings. If your total itemized deductions exceed the standard deduction, you can save more on your taxes by itemizing. Tax refund. Tax refund is the happy surprise you get if you've paid more taxes throughout the year than you actually owed. It's like the government giving you a cashback reward. Think of it as a forced savings plan where you get a bonus back at the end of the tax season. Taxable income. Taxable income is what's left after you subtract any deductions or exemptions from your gross income. It's the final amount on which your taxes are calculated. The lower your taxable income, the lower your tax bill. So understanding what affects it can be like finding hidden treasure in the tax jungle.